What's up, YouTube? And today we're doing making your own favorite NFL team helmet. So you need to do by the tutorial is, well, here's your favorite team, but I will show you an example. So take all the screws up, especially for the face mask. Take everything what's on there and headgear inside of it, and especially for the headgear for the ears and you gotta make sure that all screws has been taken off. So here's a video of it. Alright, we already sandpapered the paper by using sandpaper to make it look good, and a little bit soft tool. So now we're gonna do spray paint with my parent member or family member with the supervision. Alright, we already taped the holes in it because we don't want to get paint inside of this because it could ruin this. So this is all. And now we decide to spray gray on it first because we need to prepare it for the gold helmet. And now we got prepared and we spray painted it gold, and you need to put all tapes inside of it so it won't get gold. Not good. But here's the gold, what it looks like, and it's good. But first, and in order to make it glossy, I'll show you. So we spray glossy and it's shiny more and it looks good. So here's the video. Alright, now me and my family member or parent member took a spray paint of it and spray of it, and my family member did this because what we did, we made it so glossy so it can feel soft and shiny and has good gold on it, and we're ready for the decals. So now you need to put all screws back in it and headgear in it except for the face mask because we need to put a decals in it. So here's what it looks like at the inside. You gotta put all the screws back, and for the headgear, for the ears and the head, that looks like that, and that looks like that. But things are getting good, and here's the decals we're gonna show. So now here's the decals of the transformation for the helmet. Alright, now we're done with it, and spray looks amazing, and it is completed and is awesome. This is a sweet helmet for the Gold Rush, and that's it, guys. But there's a ending peek of it, so here you go. Alright, there's a sneak peek of me being a quarterback like that, and hope you guys enjoyed the pick, and we'll see you guys next time. Gotta put the chin strap and a face mask back to make it look better. And that's it, guys. See you next time. Like the video. Bye.